Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Earnably and how you can go and earn money on Earnably and also how easy it is to take that money out. Also, stay tuned right to the very end of this video. I'm also going to show you a site which I've earned over $1,100 already, and you could go and earn your first $20 with that site in less than 2 hours from now. So stay tuned for that right at the very end of the video as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's hop over to the laptop and we'll go through exactly how you can set up and earn money with Earnably. So we're going to dive straight into it, and first of all, I'm going to show you what other people think of Earnably so far. It's a company that's been around for about 6 years, so let's head over to a site called Trustpilot, and as you can see here, they've got some great reviews. An excellent rating of 4.7, and that's over nearly 900 reviews. Another good thing to look out for if you're on Trustpilot is they've actually claimed their Trustpilot profile back in 2019. So that basically means that they are taking control of it, and if anybody then does a bad review or needs something, they will then go and obviously answer that query, which is great. So they're obviously in the forefront and they are putting themselves out there. Another good thing on Earnably is they've got good social media as well. So if you click over to the Facebook page here, and as you can see, they have got they've got over 72,000 people have liked this, and also 73,000 of people are following Earnably on their page. So again, that is a great way to test whether a site is a legit site, whether it's going to pay out, and you can obviously see from that whether people are having problems. And as you can see, there are no problems with Earnably at all. So, okay, with that out of the way, let's go back to Earnably and go and show you how you can actually go and earn money with Earnably. So, okay, so the easiest way you obviously do is you obviously got to sign up to begin with, and that's a very simple process. Come to the earnably.com, and then you've got up here in the top right hand corner sign up, or right in front of you, you've got sign up here. Okay, very, very easy to do, very quick to do, simple and free, obviously, as well. And then when you've done that, you then got to obviously log in to your account. So I've already created an account, so I'm just going to go in and log in quickly now. Okay, so I've come into my account here, as you can see. Remember, also, I'm going to show you a couple of other sites which are great for earning money online. And also, don't forget, right at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you how you can go and earn even more money just by watching some videos and taking some training and taking action. So stay tuned for that too. Now, all you've got to do, obviously, in Earnably, the only way you can actually earn is by your offer walls, by daily videos, apps, and videos, and also they do promo codes as well. So the videos is all about going to a site called Hideout TV. And watch the videos there. So that's a third-party site. So that's really nothing to do with Earnably. You can go and watch uh, videos and get paid through Hideout TV anyway. The daily offer walls are basically what you see in front here. This is what comes up straight away, and these are very similar to what's on other similar sites. And I'm going to go through a couple of those in a little while that I've used to actually pull money out. They also say you can obviously get daily surveys too. So we click on the daily surveys, and again, these are very, very similar to other sites that hold all these survey sites as well. So all very, very similar. You've also got videos, which is the Hideout TV, and you've got apps. So as you can see, you can just download apps to either your iPhone, iPad, or Android. Now, one of the things that is quite annoying with Earnably is you can see here that you keep getting pop-ups on the site as well. So not very user-friendly in that sense. So like I say, it's not something that I would probably go and try and earn money with. I would actually look at a few other sites that are out there that are probably better than Earnably, that I recommend would be better, that don't have annoying pop-ups and things like that on there, and give you more options that you can actually earn. One of these sites is called Swagbucks, and link to a video above here all about Swagbucks, so you can go and learn more about Swagbucks there. And I've actually drawn money out of Swagbucks, so I know that it's totally legit, and that's been going probably even longer than Earnably as well. And then the other one, and the one that I probably like the best, is Feature Points. And again, that's been going since 2012. And again, I've got various videos on that showing payment proofs and all that sort of thing. So again, check out to my playlist on the feature points above. So as you can see, Earnably is a similar site to these. It's an easy way to go and earn money. Now you could obviously do all three of these. You could do Swagbucks, Feature Points and Earnably and earn a few dollars on each per month, which would then obviously add up. But Earnably does give you a little bit more of a restriction, and like I say, I just don't like the pop-ups here that keep coming up. But if you want to give it a go, then obviously I'll leave a link in the description below here where you can go and sign up. And I'll also leave a link in the description to my #1 way of making money online at the moment. And I'm going to go and show you that in just a second. Before I do that, let's just show you how you can actually redeem any monies, etc. on Earnably. As you can see, they do some really good deals here. Obviously, you've got a PayPal, which is only 150 points which will get you $1. So there is a $1 payout. So that is a good thing on Earnably. You've also got Amazon cards. There's a Tesco's card. Obviously, Tesco's is British, obviously. You can obviously get Google Play stuff, Nike, App Store, Asda, Argos. So loads of great products here that you can get gift cards for as well. So it doesn't have to be just cash. And that is probably one of the pluses on the Earnably one as well. That's you don't get a wider range of ways to redeem your thing. One thing that you can't do, you can't actually redeem any points towards any Bitcoin or anything like that. So if you're into Bitcoin, then you need to check out my playlist on how you can actually earn Bitcoin on some of these apps. So without further ado, now we've gone through Earnably, showed you basically how easy it is to go and earn. Let's head over to another site where I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 just by watching some videos to begin with. Okay, and this site is called an OLSP system, and as you can see here, I've earned over $1,000 already with the system, and it's very, very easy to do. You just sign up again, just click the link below. This will walk you through setting up an actual mega funnel, which means that you will then obviously have everything set up, and then all you do is promote that link out, and then other people would come into the system. And what it basically is, it uses what we call affiliate marketing to promote products to members. Okay, now if they buy products or services, then you will get a commission if you've brought them into the system. Now, obviously, you can do that, like I say, by following the link in the description, and also how you get your $20 is when you set up your mega funnel, it'll also take you onto this here, which is the boot camp. Okay, now with the boot camp, once you've done the boot camp and you've gone through the videos, and it's about 2 hours long, but it shows you everything you need to know about the OLSP system. So that is great. So you'll know everything about it. But at the end of it, you will get $20 just for completing that. So it's a win-win situation for you guys. You'll have your own system set up. You'll be able to then go and promote it, and also you'll be $20 richer as well at the end of it. So if you want to do that, obviously click the link in the description below. If you obviously want to go and do Earnably, then there's a link in the description below. And obviously check out my other videos on Swagbucks, Feature Points, and other sites where you can actually go and earn points that you can then redeem into PayPal cash. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button here. Make sure you share the video so other people can obviously benefit from it as well. Don't forget to check out and watch these videos next. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.